Hello all, today let's see how to register for COVID vaccination through COVID portal and also how for booking vaccine. So that is how to register in portal and how to book for slots for vaccine. As you know, many are not getting the slots, that too in cities like Mumbai and Chennai, and in tier 1 cities they are not getting easily to book their slots, whereas in tier 2 cities you can even walk in and get your vaccines. Even for tier 2 cities you can try through this and easily you can have a registration for booking for your vaccine. Visit www.cowin.gov.in and enter your mobile number. You will get a OTP. Per mobile number you can register for 4 members, so 4 members of your family you can do that. So doing that, register the members. And here in notes they have given, don't disclose booking reference ID. The last 4 digit of reference ID will be used as security pin during vaccination. Walk-in registration and appointment facility is currently not available for 18 to 44 age group. Only online appointment can be taken. The minimum age for each vaccination center is displayed with the name of the vaccination center. To add multiple individuals in a single dose 2 appointment, the vaccine and dose 1 date must be same. I have given the information about the second dose of Covaxin and second dose of Covishield, which should be between 28 days and 42 days for Covaxin and 28 days and 56 days for Covishield. Okay, now going to the registration page, here you can give the photo ID proof and photo ID number. Then you can give your gender and your year of birth. Your photo ID should be Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, passport or pension passbook. All I have mentioned there you can see inside that box we have given. Once you have registered, the next thing is your registration is completed, and the next thing you have to do is adding members. So as I have told, with the entered credentials you can add the any number of members, so at least 4, only 4, till 4 is possible. So you can add 4 members of your family. If you want to add only 1 or 2 you can do that, so you don't have to again register. So with your own whatever credentials you registered you can do that. And here it will give you this is an example. It will show you what is your slot, everything is given, and here it will be showing the scheduled time for your vaccination. Then you can here give the add member and add the another member of your family. So, and for booking appointment for vaccinations, for example, I'm going with Chennai. So Tamil Nadu, Chennai, I'm just showing you for an example. If you go with Chennai, you can search for the vaccination available hospitals and the slots, and you can book it as per your wish. Based on the number of members you have added, you can book your slots and do further. Here they have given filters through which you can filter the age group of the person you are going to book, and you can see the availability of the hospitals and the slots, the timings, everything. So here I can show you an example of let's try for a 45 years old person, the same thing through Chennai, Tamil Nadu. I'm just giving you an example. Here if you give the age group as 45, it will show you the availability. Only you see, only in few hospitals it's available for them, so according to that you can book. So this will give you an idea. And also you can search through PIN. You can give the PIN number, that is the PIN code of that particular area. You can enter that, and for that PIN number you can identify the slots or hospitals available. Okay, now I will show you an example. Now I am selecting for a person 45 years age or something like that for in the Tamil Nadu, Chennai. So I'm just showing you an example. I have selected a hospital. Once I do that, what happens is you can see I have selected the slot. What happens is here it will ask for the slot timing which you need. and enter the captcha. So slot timing. So once I accept that also, so once that I select that also, it will give me a receipt. Okay, so download that application and have it for further use. Only using that you will be allowed in that hospital. So it's for your usage. So you have registered, it's done. Here are a few tips to book your vaccine, as people are finding it really hard to book vaccines because of the huge number of population trying to book vaccines, especially for 18 to 45 age. People are finding it hard. They are not getting slots, especially in cities, main cities. So for such people, this app would be very helpful. App in the sense it's a website under45.in. You can download a Telegram app, and in Telegram app they have special groups. This website is providing special groups based on your districts. So for example, I will show you, if I am selecting Tamil Nadu and Chennai, it will give you a Chennai based Telegram group for booking vaccines, where they will give you almost all information about vaccinations. So about the availability of slots. So notice the pattern of timing on vaccine slot opening from hospitals. Log in to CoWIN portal 5 minutes earlier to the regular slots. So keep the browsing through the CoWIN portal till you receive the notification on Telegram, because if you keep the page idle, it gets closed. So instead of keeping it closed, keep browsing. So book the slots as soon as you see the availability. There's no guarantee, but keep trying. This website helps you for that. That's it. All of you do vaccinate yourself, and now even feeding mothers can vaccinate. People have started, feeding mothers have started vaccinating themselves. So everyone surely do that without any fear. And yes, I will leave this page for you to have a look at. If you didn't get what I explained, you can have a look at, you can read and have the tip for booking your vaccine. Okay, then see you with another video. Do support us and share this video with all, as many as possible, for those who are trying it hard to book for vaccine. And also do subscribe to us, comment us and support us. Thank you. Bye.